Hello student, I am fine and hope you also. We have discussed all the topic related to this exercise. I hope you understood it and try to do the exercise. In this video, I am going to discuss some questions which I feel difficult for you. So I will discuss the three questions here. Question number 3, 7D and question number 9. So let us start with the question number 3. In question number 3 it is asked to draw a line segment of 10 centimeter length and divide it into 4 equal parts. So first of all we will draw the line segment of 10 centimeter long. This is a line segment I have drawn here, AB 10 centimeter with the help of ruler. Now we have to divide it into the 4 equal parts. So first of all we have learned how to bisect the line segment. We use that concept. We will bisect this line segment into the 2 equal parts. To see how we take more than half radius and draw the arc in the both sides of this line segment from the both ends A and B. So you see these two arcs are intersecting at 2 points, suppose X and Y. Now we can join this X to Y. We will divide this given line segment into 2 parts. Okay, so we will got here 2 parts. I can mark this point C. Now this each 2 parts can be divided further into the 2 equal parts. So we will get total 4 equal parts. You can see here again by this side. Then from A in the both side. The same from the B we will do here. So you can see these two arcs are also intersecting each other. You can mark it P, Q, R and S. Now joining this. So now you see these two lines intersecting this AB line segment, we can mark as a D and E. So we will get the 4 equal parts. They are the AD is equals to BC is equals to CE is equals to EB. So 4 equal parts we got here. Then we have to measure it. The measurement of each part is 2.5 centimeter. So that is equal to 2.5 centimeter we got it. So this is the answer of question number 3. Now see the question number 7D. In question number 7D, we have to draw an angle of 67 and half or 67.5. So this is actually the more than 60. More than 60. So first of all we draw the 60-degree angle. First we will draw 60-degree angle here. Okay. This is a 60-degree angle. Then we want 7.5 degree. Means that can be written as 60 plus 7.5. 7.5 is the half of 15 and 15 is the half of 30 and 30 is the half of 60. So first of all we will draw the another 60 degree. This is the another 60 degree and then we bisect this 260, we will get the 30 degree. So this is a 30 degree angle. We will just so this is the 30 degree. Then 30 degrees further bisected to get the 15 degree. This is 15 degree. And then 15 degree is further bisected so we will get here 67 and half degree. So this will be the 67 and half degree. I hope you understood it. Now question number 9. Question number 9. In question number 9 we have to draw a linear pair. First we have to draw a linear pair. Linear pair means a pair of angles whose non-common arms are the straight line. So you just make a straight line here. And then you can draw any line at it. Suppose it is A, O, B, C. So these two angles are linear pair because their sum is 180 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 1 degree. Now what we have to do? We have to bisect these two angles. So we have already learned this concept how to bisect. We will do it like this. Then raise the radius, and from the point of intersection of R and the arms of angle, we will draw the arc like this. So we will get the bisector of angle. So the both angles are bisected. You can see we join this. If I will D, so DO bisect angle AOB, and when I join this, E, so EO bisect angle AOC. You can write here DO bisect angle AOB and EO bisect angle AOC. Now we have to verify that the angle EOD is 90 degree. Angle EOD is 90 degree. So now see the verification. We can write angle EOD, that is equal to angle AOD, angle AOD and angle AOE, angle AOE. Now you see angle AOD is the half of angle AOB, so you can write 1/2 angle AOB, and the same way angle AO is the half of angle AOC, angle AOC. So you can take 1/2 as a common, you will get angle AOB plus angle AOC, that is equal to 1/2 into, you see the sum of this angle AOB and AOC is 180 because they are linear pair. Linear pair. So here it will be 180. So 2 9s are 50. So you will get it 90 degree. So verification is done. I hope all of you understood this. So this chapter is completely finished. You completed your maths copy. Tomorrow onwards I will start the next chapter 15 data entry. Thank you.